Hello world, this is ML and I am back with another video vlog. In this particular episode, I'll be doing a hotel review and show you around, this room that we rented. So the name of this hotel is Towneplace Suites by Marriott. So the card looks exactly like this. And on the other side, it says, hello, free hot breakfast, okay, and also free parking. All right, so let's get into the room. Here's the door. Now on my left, you have a fridge. Okay, it's a small size fridge, but it's doable. And on the right side, you have a closet equipped. Let me see if there's a light here. I guess not. No, there's no light. There's an iron and an ironing board. All right, ample space. Already got my bag. Okay, I guess this is gonna lead into the bathroom. All right, so on this side, right next to the fridge, you have the sink here. It looks like a dishwasher. Ample space. Oh, they got cutlery. Interesting. Okay. You got a electric stove top here. Microwave. Ample space with plates, pots and pans, and mugs and some drinking glasses. So it's good, it's equipped. You have, it looks like a coffee maker. You got a few blends here, some tea, hand wipes, dark roast, and this basketball. Actually, my nephew won this in Hershey Park. Congrats. He's mad though because he couldn't win the bigger basketball, but it's all right. So hardwood flooring. That's my shoes. Don't mind that. You have the thermostat. Right now it's on what? 68 degrees. Oh, more spacing here. Oh, you have extra pillows. Okay, this seems to be an office desk with a nice office chair. Let's see if it's comfortable. All right, ample desk space here. You got a little DOSOS. You have your TV. I say this is about 42, maybe 46. Some more storage. All right. And you have your little sofa, lounging sofa here. Okay. Painting on the back. Your AC unit. It's my view. It's dark, so this is supposedly blackout curtains, but from the feels of it, is not thick. It doesn't feel like thermal, but we have to see. We have to see in the morning. Okay. Now the bed, we booked a two queen size bed. So let's check out the first one. Got your little nightstand with your headlamp, Timex, alarm clock. Okay. Four pillows each bed. Nice and fluffy. Carpet on the floor, carpet. It looks clean, decent. This is the middle. Got a little stain there. I don't know if you can see that. Double headlamp, right? And here's the second queen size bed. And another nightstand with headlamp. Okay. Now the bathroom. Bathroom. Peace. All right, so the bathroom got your little storage space under the sink. The mirror is small, but it's doable. Ample lighting on top. Ample towels. There's five of us, so there's four there. I guess we will have to request for some more. So good. Okay. Like I said, the bathtub, I'm not really a fan. Like I said, I like the standalone shower, but you know, we're not picky. Now, inside this bathroom, this is the closet that we entered, okay, or I opened earlier. The only gripe I have is it doesn't have any lighting. Nope, it doesn't have a lot. It doesn't have any lighting. You have shelvings here. Okay, more shelvings, three shelves, complimentary hangers, more shelvings upstairs, and some hooks here. Okay. A bag right there. Floor, there's a little hollow. Also, we have complimentary uh, shampoo and conditioner. You have the shampoo here. The brand is Paul Mitchell. Okay, you have the refreshing citrus face and body ball. And this is the same thing, face and body ball. Okay, send me a check, Paul Mitchell. Cut me that check. All right, yeah. This is how it looks from the bathroom. So my final thoughts about the hotel. It's clean. First and foremost, it's clean. The front desk, she's okay. She greeted us, polite, professional. Yeah, I have nothing bad to say. Today's Friday night, so granted that it's starting the weekend, still have ample parking. There's some outdated stuff, but are you gonna live here? No. This particular hotel, all right, is about 300 a night. I guess the price, due to being close to Hershey Park. Now, this is about 20 minutes drive away from Hershey Park. So there you go. That was me showing y'all the room in Towneplace Suites by Marriott. So we're about to check out right now, and we're gonna head towards the campsite. I would like to add to the vlog concerning the breakfast. Breakfast was good. They served omelet, some kind of ham. They had apple juice, orange juice. They have three types of cereals, three types of muffins, and you are allowed to sit in and eat the breakfast. So, or you could put in a lunch paper bag and take it to your room. But we sat outside, so I just want to include that. Concerning the breakfast, nothing too major, just basic breakfast, but it's doable. It will get you through at least until lunchtime. So catch you later. Peace.